Posting your strategic business needs to start growing your business with Opportunity Network is simple. Begin by selecting Post Opportunity. Choose between the 4 deal types depending on your need. You can buy or sell, as well as raise or invest capital on the platform. For this demonstration, we're choosing a buy opportunity. The next screens will allow you to fill out the details of your opportunity so that you will find the right connections. Opportunity Network has members from all industries. Select yours to connect to the right members. The sub-industry page further filters the search results. Choose one or more as necessary. If you seek to establish a joint venture, our platform will help you start. Set your geographical preferences, if you have any. Worldwide is the default, but you can select specific regions or countries if that suits your posting better. Now, choose the deal value to reach businesses on a similar playing field. Finally, choose a brief and informative headline and deal description to inform the network about your needs. Once satisfied that everything is correct, click Preview. You will be able to see how the post will look to others. You can add a relevant attachment to better describe the deal if desired. If everything looks good, click Post. After clicking Post, our team will review and approve the posting before it goes live. And that's it. Start posting today and let the connecting begin.